G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today what we're going to look at is structure and when we alter or renovate a home, the best way to hold that structure together. What I've got is a sliding door cavity unit that we've just installed. Now, when we install a sliding cavity unit that's in the wall, we have to cut out certain stud work so that that sliding cavity unit can fit in. So you can see here, we've got old studs coming down, but we've cut in a lintel all the way through. We know our load bearing points from inside our roof space, and we've transferred those weight bearing points all the way down and to the subfloor section / foundation work. It's a matter of importance to make sure that you get this right. What I've got on top here is a tiled roof. Now a tiled roof holds a weight of about 70 to 90 kilograms per square meter. So if I don't use my load bearing points correctly, what can happen is that the roof itself can cave in or at least sag quite substantially, and it can be very, very dangerous if it's not looked after properly. Another thing to take into consideration is also if you remove walls, the bracing section of it. So if I remove a wall or I cut out a brace, then I need to make sure that I install new braces. So come with me and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So this section here, you can see we've got a brace that comes up. We're putting a new wall cabinet in there, or a medicine cabinet in there, and then we've still got the brace that continues up. Now I've fixed off that brace on both sides, but you'll notice over here that I've installed a cross brace, a metal cross brace all the way through. So what that does is it ensures that there's no sideways movement. So not only do we need to worry about downward pressure, but we also need to worry about sideways movement also. So before you start a renovation or you start to cut walls out, you need to employ an engineer or a qualified carpenter / builder that understands your structures. Then you will need to get engineering for all of those things that you're going to take out, and the engineering will also include not only the load bearing points and the size of the beams that you're going to need, but it'll also tell you if it needs bracing or where it needs bracing and the type of bracing that you will need. If you've got any questions or queries about that, flick them over and I'll answer them for you best I can, as quick as I can. Thanks for watching, and stay unreal, banana peel. I will see you in the soup.